A common dilemma for the retail investor is when to get into the market. And it's quite understandable. We're seeing a lot of unconstructive trading action, but the market continues its slow grind up. There's the old adage, sell in May and go away. David Peltier, I don't think it's quite as applicable as the media might make it sound.
No, you're absolutely right, especially when you look at the data over the last 100 years. In the Dow Jones Industrial Average, May's a pretty flat month. You don't have a lot of up years, you don't have a lot of down years. If anything, you might have some people moving to the sidelines, booking some profits, but we're not going short. We're not running away from this market.
So it's almost like that you're going away and you're dumping your position, sometimes taking a step back and hanging out on the sidelines looking for some good quality picks. For example, I happen to like IBM. I think there's a lot of cash there. They're rewarding their investors with share buybacks and dividends. But in the stocks under 10 portfolio, what are you looking to get involved in?
I'm looking at value right now because frankly, a lot of stocks have gone up. If the market's up 10%, some of my stocks are already up 50, 60, 70% year to date. So I'm looking to buy on weakness. One name in the technology space, like you mentioned, is Triquint Semiconductor. Stock's trading under $5 a share. It has a tangible book value of $5.50. Stocks very rarely trade below their tangible book value. I would buy that up to $5. It's not easy money, but I think there's a good chance that stock gets back up to $6. Plus, you have the new iPhone coming out in the second half of the year.
So a lot of things that we've been talking about is that big number going into Friday with the jobs report. If the market pulls back, is that a great time to get in? If it's a good number and the expectations really aren't there for that, if it continues that grind higher, do you hop on the momentum trade or you wait for a better entry point?
Even if we get a negative number on Friday, which is not in the cards right now, you can still buy the areas that are strong. We have a conference call every morning. We talk about areas of strength. We talk about HVAC in the US. Auto sales are getting bigger. You look at other areas, even the housing market. Some of the housing sales are starting to get better. Buy high quality names in areas that are doing well, and you can outperform the market even when the market's coming down a little bit.
Okay, thanks, David.
This market is fueled
Stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to